Committee and the Italian Canoe and Kayak Federation. For this ICF Junior and U23 Canoe Sprint World Championships.
Regione Veneto.
Yeah, I said Regione Veneto Region 2. This is the area region, one of the region of the northeast of Italy, with Venice as the capital city.
Belluno province.
Belluno province is the mountain province in which Auronzo is.
Mountain community.
Yeah. We are just 2 hours by car from Venice in this beautiful region. But we are on the race again with C1 Junior Women 500 meters, it's 1. Taipei, Shukai, lane 1, Lithuania without a Gaurite in lane 2, Czech Republic, Simova, lane 3, lane 4, Canada, Wojcik, lane 5, Hungary, Agnes Kiss, lane 6, Germany, Josephine Wickman, lane 7, USA, Audrey Harper, and lane 8, Italy, Valeria Contu, and lane 9, Korea, Jiwon Jeong.
Also in this 8 will be fighting because the top 3 go straight to the final and the rest in the semi-final. So we will see.
This is Agnes Kiss in lane 5 for Hungary, leading at the split time. Canada's resist in second position, very close to the Hungary boat. But it seems that Agnes Kiss is taking water from the other boats. We also have lane 6 and lane 7, Germany and USA.
They are fighting each other to get one spot in the final.
Agnes Kiss for Hungary to win this hit.
Yeah. 2:07 is not bad.
Then Canada, Wojcik, and USA
prevails on Germany
for the final. Audrey Harper in the finals. And this is the review of this hit with the victory of Agnes Kiss for Hungary. And for the USA, the final for Audrey Harper. And 08 for Agnes Kiss. This is also the time